Okay. So what do you want, sir?
I thought I heard something down there. Could be a
Hello?
Papa. Boy, I could sure go for a death stick right now.
What do you want, sir? Come to the point, please.
The Jedi's down.
Huh?
Stop. Identify yourself.
Okay. What do you want?
He won't be giving us any more trouble.
I can't hear you.
Call for backup. Call for backup. You're under arrest.
Who are you?
Stop. Identify yourself.
Who are you? I am asking you, who are you?
Who goes there?
Why you call here?
Who goes there?
You motherfucker?
What's going on there? I need assistance.
Shut up.
Hold it right there.
Shut up.
I'll clear it with my squad leader and let you know.
You want to come here?
Surround the Jedi.
You come here.
Yeah, it was nothing.
Why you call here?
Out of my way.
Okay, come here.
This is a restricted area.
I will see you personally.
Hey, you there. Who's there?
Motherfucker.
Who's there?
What's the matter?
I'll be demoted for this.
Why you call here? What's the matter?
That Biff was really getting on my nerves, so I shot him. How was I supposed to know he was a friend of the Admiral?
You shut up, asshole.
Call for backup.
You have a courage to come here?
No way. They don't know it was me.
I know.
Stay where you are.
Motherfucker.
Move along.
Son of a bitch.
Move along.
Why you call here?
Move along. Out of my way.
I will cut your neck.
Boy, I could sure go for a death stick right now.
Motherfucker.
I need assistance.
Don't cross me now.
Hello?
Hey, man.
Hello?
What I supposed to do? Don't you papa me, girl. I'll papa you so you never forget it.
Hello?
Y'all had that old saying how all niggas look alike.
What do you want?
But carry around with me in a little box like a pet bunny rabbit or something.
You motherfucker.
Don't let that pet break his nose.
Why you call here?
I quit on you when you cleared out of Detroit with Willie the Pimp. Well, I'm black and I'm hoping.
Oh, motherfucker,
Ain't that one shiftless nigga? Why they all so lazy?
give the line to the police.
Yeah, and you luck out too busy to find you, girl. You selling my clothes, my ring, my silver brushes.
He will take your arrest. I will go to court.
You Willie's in jail. You just smelling gravy here.
You motherfucker.
Come on, you look like a washed out rag here. Your eye twitching all the time.
Why you call here?
Don't cross me now.
You motherfucker.
I don't want to give you nothing, you
I
understand?
will kill you right now.
Yeah!
Motherfucker.
Why
Why you call here?
What I supposed to do?
You stupid.
Having any of your shit about living or anything when you was out and I'm
Why
near.
you call here, motherfucker?
I want to apologize.
You asshole.
I want to apologize.
Why you call here, motherfucker?
It's all right, Mama.
Come
My
down
fussy
here.
nappy head.
I will kill you here.
My mama told me Mr. Lincoln done that. Me and that other dumb nigga who lets you, so you go home, hustle up one who don't know it yet. They're plenty for you. Just score 'em up.
Motherfucker. Why you call here?
Well, I'm black and I'm hoping.
Rascal.
Don't you papa me, girl. I'll papa you so you never forget it. Look, man, what's gonna hang, and I ain't hanging with it. Because every time you push that pinched up face in front of me, I see where it done got me.
Why you call here, motherfucker?
I ain't got the time to take no fifth-rate Geechee.
You black.
My fussy nappy head. Ain't that one shiftless nigga? Why they all so lazy? Y'all had that old saying how all niggas look alike. twitching all the time. Don't let that peck break his nose.
Why you brought here, motherfucker?
I don't want to give you nothing, you understand?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
What you want here?
Motherfucker,
Hey, man.
you are laughter?
Yes.
You filthy dog?
Yeah.
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 Motherfucker, fella. Good luck, boy, to put up.
I ain't nothing to you but a black, ugly fish
Why
here.
you brought here? Why you brought here?
I quit on you when you cleared out of Detroit with Willie the Pimp.
You motherfucker.
She ain't no wife of mine.
I tell you.
Don't cross me now.
Why you brought here?
Let him get out of town and not get shot
You
at.
are a rascal. You are a rascal.
Yeah.
Why you brought here?
I want to apologize.
You black
Yes.
people.
Well, ain't that one shiftless nigga? Why they all so lazy?
You destroy the country. You destroy the country.
What I supposed to do?
You destroy the country.
Well, I'm black and I'm hoping.
You have no education. You have no manners. You have no civilization.
Yeah.
You are the animal.
Yes.
You motherfucker.
Come on, you look like a washed out rag here. Your eye twitching all the time.
You are the black people here to destroy the country.
Yes. Y'all had that old saying, all niggas look alike. Yes. You tell me you paid him? You tell me you paid him?
You cheated on your wife. You
Yeah.
cheated on
Yes.
your kids.
Yes.
You are the worst people in this country. You are the black people.
Yes. All I got to do is to be black and die, lady.
Come here from the south of Africa.
My mama told me Mr. Lincoln done that. Ain't that why you shot him?
You destroy the country.
My mama told me Mr. Lincoln done that. Ain't that why you shot him?
Yeah.
Yes.
I know.
You tell me you paid him?
You are the poor people. You are the honest people. You fuck you.
Yeah. Yeah. Put it. He. Yeah. Ha. Hey, baby.
You
Yep.
are the black people.
Help.
Rascal.
You Willie's in jail. You just smelling gravy here.
Rascal. You are rascal.
Yes.
You are the first people in this America.
Yes.
You are the dishonest people in this America.
Yeah.
You are very, very, very rascal people.
Yeah.
You can come here,
Yes.
show me,
Yes.
or when?
What you want here? What you want here?
You know that?
I done my chicken around this
You
country.
come here, rascal. You come here.
Well, ain't that one shiftless nigga? Why they all so
Come here.
lazy?
You come here.
Yeah. Well, I'm black and I'm hoping.
You rascal.
Don't you pop me, girl. I'll pop you so you never forget it.
You
Yes.
come down here.
Yeah. Hey, man.
You are the worst.
Shh.
Why you come here?
Shh.
Rascal.
Oh.
You are the son of 100,000 fathers.
Oh, Lord.
You are fucking beautiful.
You tell me you paid him? You expect I'm gonna say thank you, Reverend? You ain't paying for me.
You come down here and show me your pen.
Being every other dumb nigga who likes it, so you go home, hustle up one, I don't know it yet. They're plenty for you. Just scoremonger.
You are the rascal.
Yeah.
You are rascal.
Yes.
You are
I'm a lousy drug you gotta puke up.
You are filthy dog.
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
You have a courage from here.
Yeah.
You are coward.
Yes.
You are coward.
Yes.
Come here.
Hey, look, man, I ain't fighting for no race. I ain't redeeming nobody. I want to apologize.
You are the son of witch. Come here.
Willie the pimp.
Show me your face.
You want to go along with it?
I will cut your neck.
What you want here?
Motherfucker, you are the black people. I know. You listen.
My mama told me Mr. Lincoln done that. Ain't that why you shot him?
Motherfucker, you come down here. Show me your face.
I ain't got a time to take no fifth grade teaching.
I will cut your neck.
Yes. Yeah.
You are the dishonest person.
I quit on you when you cleared out of Detroit with Willie the pimp.
You are the black people I know.
Well, I'm black and I'm
Come
hoping.
here. Come here.
Y'all had that old saying, all niggas look alike. Yeah. He. Yeah. Ha. He. Ha. Yeah. Who it? He. Yeah. Yeah. He. Yeah. Look, man, what's gonna hang, and I ain't hanging with it. I want to apologize. Hey, look, man, I ain't fighting for no race. I ain't redeeming nobody.
You are the motherfucker.
I ain't got a time to take no